Alright folks, I got the Cecarol going right now. I got it set to temp at 250, so it's roughly around that temp right there. It's going to be the first cook on the Cecarol tabletop wood pellet smoker. We're going to do some chicken legs. I haven't done some chicken legs in a while, I haven't eaten them in a while, so I want to do that. So let's see what this tabletop can do. Alright, I got it set at 250. Actual temp's at 256. So, I'll take that. It'll probably dip down, stay around the 250, dip down, dip up. And then add the pellets. Looking good. So, I'm going to get me those chicken legs and then we'll get to cooking. I got these chicken legs and they're pretty good size. Just place it right there. Right there. And also, you could also remove the top rack if you need more room. Place right there. Add it like that. Just like that. How does that look? Pretty good, huh? Yeah. So, I'm gonna close the lid, and then we'll get to cooking. Alright, I still have my tip set at 250. Actual tip reading 257. So, it got up to about 265, but then it's come down. So it's been pretty good, I say. So let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, look at that, man. I could bite into them right now. What do you think so far? What do you think this tabletop pellet smoker is doing? Pretty good or what? Looking good to me. Now there's some big chicken legs right here. Especially these three right here. Let's close it up. Check out the pellet. Pretty good. So, I'm gonna let it roll. Now bring it back. Look at that. Man. Juicy, eh? Man. Look at that. Man, oh man. That is nice. Like I said, you can remove the top rack, make it easier, but first time cooking, I want to keep it on. Know the way it looks, but look at that. They look nice. Let's keep it going. Like some fatties in there. It's been 2 hours. Cook tip set at 250. Actual tip reading 256. I know it's probably flashing on the numbers. Let's check out the pellets. So far so good. Thumb screw. Alright. Yeah. Look at that. Pretty good, huh? These are almost done. About to let them go for a little bit more. And I'm gonna take them off. But got me some sausage right there. I'll let that go. Let these go for a bit more, and then take them off and see how they taste. 260 the actual temp of the pellet smoker. 250 is what I set it on. So, hear that? It's time to take them off. They're done. Got my sausage right there, but these are done. Man. I'm ready. I wanted to sauce them up, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna eat them like this. So, I'm gonna get them off, let them chill out for a bit, let them cool down, and then, you know, bite into them. The food is done. 250 I set it on. 260 ticks actual time. Let's check out pellets. That's what it looks like. Just giving y'all a look to see how it looks like when it's all done. Inside, no more food. Look at all that. Pretty good. This pellet smoker right here, that excellent job. I mean, just take a look at what the chicken legs look like. Beautiful. Beautiful looking. Delicious. So, overall, I was impressed. But the real test is right here. Bite through. Oh yeah. They were done. 2 hours and 30 minutes. I'm telling you. Oh, man. You can taste it. And, you know, I did set the temp to 250. And it would go up to 265, 260, 255. You know, that's expected. But it never went up to high temps. You know, it never went below 250. So, you know, we'll check it out more with more cooks and look forward to that. But overall, impressed. Did an excellent job. But the next video, you're gonna see my full review on it. So I'll let you know how this pellet smoker is. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this one, seeing how it did on the cook. We're gonna cook some more on it. You're gonna see it. Till next one, folks. Smoke on, everyone.